How to log in to Snapchat app. So if you want to log into Snapchat, then first of all, open up your Play Store and then on the search bar, search for Snapchat and make sure to install the Snapchat. And now after installing Snapchat, you can open up your Snapchat. And now if you have a saved account on your Snapchat, then you can simply tap on login. But if you don't have a saved account, then on the bottom right corner, you will have switch account option. Tap on switch account. And here you have to enter your username or your email of the Snapchat. And after entering that, you can also tap on use phone number instead if you don't want to use your email. And after entering your username or email, on the next step you have to enter your password. And after entering your password, you can simply tap on the bottom side which says save login info on your device so that your account will be saved. But if you don't know your password or if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot your password option. You can simply tap on that and then you can choose how you want to reset your password. You can either choose through your phone or through email. And after entering your username or email and then your password, you can simply tap on login, which is on the bottom of your screen. And that's it guys, that's how you log into your Snapchat and mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.